morning, guys.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to discuss about the case study on control system. Okay. Do you know what is mean by control system?
To regulate the behavior system or other device to give accurate output.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Today, which topic we are going to discuss?
Yeah, we are going to discuss a topic on based on automatic control system, automatic water level control system.
Okay. Let us start your discussion.
So hello guys, today our topic is automatic control system, automatic water level control system. So why do we need a automatic control water level control system? Can anyone see?
It reduces manual effort and it prevents water overflow and save electricity. It also efficient for water management.
Yeah, sure. It was a major of we used to reduce the efforts of our needs. So first of automatic water level control system. So we use many waters based on of industries and agricultures and automatic mobile industries, major of our industry products. So this leads to manual water level system leads to lack of water and electricity, and it leads to insufficient of water amount. So that's why we are going to for automatic. So can anybody say what is automatic and manual control?
Yeah, manual means we need to go in a person and monitor the water tank, but in automatic, by using sensor and controller, we can switch off or on.
Okay, good point. So coming to our problem, we are creating an automatic water level monitoring system to stop the inefficient of
The system based on feedback control principle, and there are using sensor. The sensor is to measure the current water level. Next, the water was sensor after the signal was sent to the water pump. When the motor was turned on, when the water level is low, the motor was turned on, and when the water level is actually high, it was stop the turn off the motor.
Yeah, it's correct. But how is control system, the feedback, how will be controlled and how will be working? Anybody know about this?
It plays different levels of sensors in the water tank. By sensing it, it's sent to the controls, and after it plays different levels of sensors in water tank. By sensing the water, it sends the message to controls, and by using the levels, it determines whether it matches or by using the sensor, it will turn on or off.
Yeah, the sensor how will be feedbacking. Nowadays, many water level sensors are having. Which sensor we are using in projects? How will be study?
So the sensors are used as a float sensor which was used for the accurate water measurements.
Yeah, but we can use ultrasonic sensor. It will be high efficient and very low cost to use float sensor. By replacing a float sensor, ultrasonic is very comfortable.
But we didn't get the determined levels of the water.
Yeah, we can set a particular measurement, particular feet, particular meter, particular centimeter. We can set a particular distance to an ultrasonic sensor. It will be high efficiency.
So we are trying to telling that we can fix a certain threshold frequency for the measurement of water.
Yeah, but nowadays ultrasonic sensor has water resistance. But how will it work? It will be short lifetime. We can compare to other sensors. We can use a float sensor is a high value sensor, but it water resistant, high lifetime, and we can use in many sensors. Moisture sensor also we can use in this project. How we can implement a moisture sensor? It will be working upon water. The water will touch into a moisture sensor. It isn't the problem is a real time problem. Actually, we have many houses. The daily the problem is routine problem. In house, in my house, my mother hasn't turned on a motor, and it will be my mother doing some other works, and the tank will be the water will be wastage of many waters. So we cannot adjustable any other areas. So we can using a project of this. We can do manually 1 or 2 days. We cannot do daily.
So by this you can control the water flow and the wastewater management. So you can control the electricity bills.
Yeah, in Chinese areas they are using in the motor sorter. You can use in motor controller box. They have setting a sensor rushing on a tank. They are setting into a particular time. We can set a timer into a motor. It will be 10 minutes or 5 minutes. The motor will be stopped. The Chinese model, this is Chinese model. They will be advanced. But in our India and many other countries, the sensor will keep in a water tank.
So this for this of Chinese model, they are automatically shifted the motors into a starters which can auto cut the flow of water flow from for irrigations or any other for filling of water tank.
Yeah, some electrodes, the electrical charge is passed through in sensors. We have, in Chinese model, we can keep a sensor in one water tank, power supply onto, we can supply power to one sensor. It is a high complicated to two other sensors. We can keep a in a motor box. It will be very easy and efficient.
So by using automatic water level control system, we can avoid the water wastage. Okay.